your bike off. Give me the key. Push your bike right there. Push it over there. Hold it on the sidewalk. Take your helmet off.
My apologies.
Traffic. Or yeah, first me or walk. You didn't see me behind you? No. Wheelie, and you're going right towards the sidewalk when you're doing your wheelie. Yeah. And what's the speed limit here? 40. How fast you're going? 81. Okay.
Practicing on the track.
Okay. Do you have your registration?
I have everything. It's on my keys inside.
Pop it. Grab your registration. Call your buddy, jump on the back of his bike, or call him over.
Take it easy, man. Ride safe.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was not cool. Let's get out of here.
You get injured? Did you fall?
Someone crashed into him on a.
Oh man. You're okay though. You had nothing. I didn't fall. Did your finger hurt?
Where we going, buddy? I gotta go, man. What's up?
Are you a YouTuber?
YouTuber?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got an Instagram? We'll just type in Stunt Junkie on YouTube. You get that? Alright, have a good one, guys. I'll pop one last one for him. Could probably made that kid's day. He was so happy. His mom was happy too. I love that shit so much. I'll be all good. Is that a cop? Oh, it is a cop. Gonna pull me over? Oh, there's 2 cops. Hey, how you doing? Pretty good. I was doing wheelies for a kid. Yeah. I just did a few for him. I don't do it on the streets or anything like that. I just parking lots and stuff. Yeah, that's why I do it behind the parking lots and stuff like that. Like empty lots and stuff.
Yeah, I appreciate you stopping.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm going to take off on you.
Yep.
I actually fully expected you to take off on me. When you looked back at me at the stop sign, I was like, yeah, he's going to take off.
You could probably catch me on this bike anyways.
Really? Yeah, I doubt it.
Sprocket's too big. I
don't
only
trust people. Too fast. I like to drive slow. You got an endorsement and everything?
Yeah, I do. I don't have the title of this bike on me right now, but it's in my name and everything. So.
Yeah, it looks like, I think it comes out red. Ain't it?
Yeah, the gas tank's painted and all this stuff. You can see the original color right here. Bought it
I
on
just want to make sure it's not like stolen or anything.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
I'll probably give you a warning on the wheelies and
Okay.
good haul ass taking off down the road, but slow down a lot. So, I appreciate you stopping. Give me a second, make sure your endorsement's still good and everything. Okay. There's another guy that ironically has the same last name as you. He has a reckless warrant. Yeah, same last name. Different guy though. Am I on YouTube? On YouTube?
Yeah, I'm not gonna put you guys on YouTube. I don't upload. I only upload stuff like progress and my stunting and stuff like that. I can put you on YouTube if you want to.
No, I don't necessarily want to be on YouTube. But it's good to know. At least I can look for it.
I got you, man.
I'd like to see myself on YouTube. Are you famous? Are you a famous YouTuber?
No, I'm not famous or anything like that.
Not
I mainly
yet.
do Instagram and stuff.
Yeah, not yet. You're gonna be famous though. No. Alright, man. Have a good night.
Alright, you take it easy, man. That guy was cool. That's how you get out of a wheelie ticket, boys.